araw na to. Pero, sino si JR? JR. Well, for his students, strict na siya. Pero para sa akin, sobrang strict na siya.
Ay ma'am, paano kayo nagkakilala?
Ano nga ba? Well, birthday kasi yun eh. Birthday ng pinsan ko. It's one of the 18 roses. After party, he asked my number. Then, ayun, ganun nag-start.
Eh ma'am, bakit kayo nag-crush sa kanya?
Well, I find it interesting kasi of all the guys, siya lang yung hindi mahilig bumigay ng chocolates and flowers. Yet, I find it interesting. And hindi ko na malayan na mas falling in love. Ayan, so, Sir Birthday once again. Well, it's like, thank you for giving me better days when I first met you. And for the love and support. And it's been a blessing to have you. I love you very much. Ingat ka palagi. Happy birthday!